Good morning, teacher and classmates. This is task 4, stage 1, part 2. Over 400 people visit our library last month. Next. Over 400 people visit our library last month. Staff Staff at the Export Center aren't available between 3 and 4 p.m. Candidates should select one question only from each topic area. All new, sorry, all new students have to be registered with Mr. Clark by the end on Friday. Provided that all equipment have been collected and stored, students may leave the classroom. What types of company do the majority of the students work in after finishing their degree? Despite some initial missions, the new laboratory has proved itself to be an excellent facility. Environmentalists agree that the continued use of prey vehicles will result in worsening air pollution. Thank you.